This carbonated ramen drink. What is that?
Sounds like that. Carbonated ramen drink. Melon.
All these things are edible, okay?
Oh, that's edible?
Yeah. You racist? What is that?
Spicy peanuts in here. It has like red peppers on top of the display. It's in like on a wooden tray. I don't know why.
Mango gummy candy, gluten-free, also product of Japan. You know, Japanese, I love you guys. You guys make good shit. The Kraken, extra hot. Let's see if I can read the ingredients. Potato, yeah. It's a product of China. Should we sanitize this chip before eating?
Yeah, we're